guys, I'm Dramatic. Hopefully this channel inspires you to make some new music. I'm here to educate you on my tips that I know. If you've got anything you'd like me to work on to show you how I do it, please leave a comment down below. I normally make hard house music, but this is just to inspire some people to try some different sounds and do different tricks through Ableton. So yeah, enjoy. Alright, so we're going to do a bit of a fix the microphone there. I'm going to do a bit of a reverse vocal effect. Just doing it on the fly now, so just see how it sort of turns out, but this is how I would do it.
Join me in my dreams.
Alright, so what we normally would do is reverse that vocal. So you want to reverse it down the bottom here. Yep. Alright, now we've got that reversed. Whoa. Let's put a bit of reverb on it. So just for this case, I'll just use the, just the reverb from Ableton, just the basic one. If it decides to work. There you go. Probably a bit more than that, so add a bit more decay. So it's really obviously enthralled in it. The wet is how much reverb we want, so all the way 100% is. That's actually probably usable, maybe. Maybe turn it down a little bit, or a bit less. Alright, so what I might do here is have a channel. So we'll say we'll use this this audio channel here at the top here, and I'll get it recording off off audio 2, which is this one here. So this is, we'll call this vocal or vox, and then this is the recorded WAV vox. So it's always good to record your label your channels, otherwise trust me, things will get really all over the place. And then give them a color as well, just whatever you prefer. Try and have the sample the same color if you can. What's that blue there? So let's just give us a bit of a recording. Make sure the record button is on as well, and away we go. So what we're wanting to record is the reverb tail. So that reverb tail there they've created backwards. So that reverb tail. Now if I reverse that and I'll put that at the start of this vocal and turn that back how it was, and just for this case I will put it on separate channels, but you can probably join them up and put them on the same channel. It looks a bit loud too, so I'm just going to turn its volume down. Or actually probably like to do it within the vocal itself. I do like to turn the warp on to Complex Pro whenever I'm dealing with vocals as well, or off altogether is probably the better option. But if you're stretching it, you want to sort of make sure it doesn't get affected by that beat mode. Alright, so just where the start of it is, join at the start of join. So I'll just zoom right in, getting really close. I might want to make it a little bit narrower in terms of the grid, so I can actually move things around. Maybe something like that. Let's see how that sounds.
Join me in my dreams.
And I forgot to, sorry to blow your ears up there, but I forgot to turn off this, so we'll just there we go. External in, we don't want a recording, so no input.
Join me.
Why is it going into that one? That's why. External in. Oops. So we'll just put it. So how they normally look. Yeah, external in. Yeah. I'm just going to drag it down here just to make it easier. Alright, now turn this volume down a bit.
Join me in my dreams.
I think I might put that reverb back on there as well, because it was a nice sounding reverb. But this time turn down, I could either delete the automation, so I don't know why there's automation on there, but just turn that to back down there. So
Join me in my dreams.
otherwise it's just going to stop as soon as that vocal stops. We want it to tail off a bit with the reverb, so it sounds a bit more natural. And what you can do, what I would do, is zoom in and also just kind of drop the volume a bit so it matches up with the reverse vocal there. And here we go.
Join me in my dreams.
And that's how you get the reverse vocal going. Thanks guys, hope you like that little tip. I'll bring you more. Have a good one.